Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, and I am in a random parking lot today because the bike has finally come in. I know you guys have been blowing up my comments wondering what it is. I've been trying to drop just enough hints for some of you to get it and some of you to not. But today you will see exactly what I picked up. And what is it, you say? It is a 2026 KTM 990 RCR, and look at this thing! Oh, I am so excited. Oh my goody goodness. This thing has been a dream bike of mine. I've wanted one of these since KTM first started a video series like a year ago. I literally have been waiting with the deposit since October, and this is part of the reason why the channel's back. Yeah, I'm getting back into clip-ons, baby. This is gonna be bad, but no, really, the whole goal of this bike is to basically make myself faster at the track, and to move more into the sport bike range and the clip-on range and get a little bit more serious about my track riding. Because I've noticed that I spend way too much time at the track with my 690, and that little single cylinder can only do so much. And when you do 20 plus track days a season, or at least how I have last year and now this year, you need something a little bit more, because I'm tired of getting passed on the straights. But anyway, I just picked this bike up literally a couple days ago, and there's a whole story around how I actually got this thing. But I'm going to shut up, we're going to ride this, and I'm going to talk you through the first couple miles and just the things that I noticed. There's going to be a whole slew of videos that are going to be coming out just around different bits, bods, ends, funky things that I find. And yeah, so stay tuned on the channel for that. But yeah, let's get some gloves on here. All right. Look at this dash. It is like the first thing you notice on this bike. And I'm telling you, it's the craziest thing I've ever seen. It's so cute, and I can't wait to rip it off. I can't wait to just rip it off. Oh, my goody goodness. As much as I think this dash is cool, I think there are way too many buttons and there's way too much information. I was literally spending most of my morning trying to literally connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to download my region's maps, which is like, I might as well have Apple CarPlay. And away we go. Man. And I think, whoa, one of the first things that I've noticed while riding this bike so far, a small thing, whenever you're trying to use the turn signal, my thumb always wants to hit the whatever computer switch, the little toggle thing, and it's quite annoying, I will have to say, because I think I canceled my turn signal. I don't know. Oh, so first sitting on this bike, comparing it to, well, a 690 SMCR and my 990 Adventure, there is no comparison. I mean, this thing is so different, like to a T, and you're thinking, obviously, but it's been so long since I've been on a bike with clip-ons. And I think from all the bikes that I've sat on, from owning my previous Ducati 749S and, like, again, riding so many different R6s and BMWs and RSV4s and all this other stuff, this bike feels extremely aggressive. Like, I mean, extremely aggressive when you sit on it. For some reason, I feel like the top of the tank is, like, equal with my belly button. And that's, like, a weird feeling for me because it just feels, like, so low. And I feel like I sit so high on it. I mean, the seating position's comfortable. You know, I'm 6'1", about 190 pounds, and cannot complain about the geometry of this bike, but holy smokes, do you feel like a MotoGP rider just sitting on this thing. Man, I'm gonna have back problems by the end of this video. Oh. Also, as I sit here for forever at lights, it's a touch screen, so I can see my favorites. 10.9 miles on the dash. Now, that comes with a funny story. So to break this bike in, I didn't want to do it the traditional way. You know, ride your 600 miles, do the first 20 super slow, then do the next 80 kind of fast, and yada yada yada. So I opted for a dyno break-in. Now, whether it's right or wrong, I feel like, you know, choosing what type of new motorcycle break-in is like choosing a religion, which is something I'm not going to talk about. It was something new for me. And the logic came from, well, if race bikes aren't registered for the street and they're built to super high performance standards and have to immediately go out on a track to perform at their best ability, and they use dyno break-ins, then most likely it's something that I should probably try. So I have about 120 miles on this bike so far. Well, 130 with obviously the ones on the dash. But the entire time that this was on the dyno, it never registered the miles. So I got a free, what, 120 miles out of it. The guys at part of Veloce, which huge shout out to those guys, they're building Aprilias and race bikes and all this other fun stuff. They did an awesome job. And yeah, they were kind of confuzzled by it too. They didn't really understand. They see some bikes do it, but not expecting it from a brand new KTM. And if you think I'm going to start lane filtering with this thing, you're nuts. Let's see, what is... No. Oh, we got to hold it. See, I have no idea what any of this looks like. 210 for the temp. I got to figure this freaking dash out. Yeah, so we get lost on our way around here. This thing has been, I don't even know what to say. I am so excited about this bike. I am thoroughly just, oh, you have no idea. For some reason, I feel like this is the last, like, KTM, true KTM that's ever going to be built and designed by the Austrian team. I mean, I feel like Bajaj is going to do what Bajaj does best and sell 125cc motorcycles for the everyday consumer all over the world and not produce crazy ass things like this. But I do notice, I mean, I'm flat footing it obviously, but I don't have much knee bend. Like, it seems tall. I may just be nuts, but it seems very tall for a sport bike, which is again something I'm not very used to, but I gotta learn it. I mean, I haven't even touched suspension settings. I don't even know how to use half this shit, so it's a learning curve at its finest. Now, as you guys know me, of course, I'm going to modify probably the crap out of this bike. But so far, I've ordered a lot of different parts for it. One of those including an Austin Racing exhaust, because yes, I'm that guy who likes it to be very loud. It's just the slip-on right now, and it's the V3 Mini R, so it should just be stupid loud, and like this short little 150 millimeter length of pipe that, I don't know, does nothing really for performance but just makes it sound good. Because I just need to open this up a little bit more. I feel like I can't really hear much. I'll try to get a sound check out for you guys, but with the new ecosystem that I've been using through DJI, I'm hoping I can get 2 different mics and get it rolling. But yeah, I just, there's so much excitement. I don't even know what to talk about. What do I even talk about? Here we go. Oh my goody goodness! Whoa, there's a lot there. Wow. Okay, slow down. Give me a minute. Wow. I felt all of that right from the get. That was, yeah, how do I put it? Straight off the top. God damn. I gotta start using the quick shifter more. I did buy the tech package and wasted, what, $1,000 on that to have somebody plug in a computer and hit a button. But I think it's just a necessity for this damn bike. I feel like there's no other way to put it. Oh my goody goodness. There is so much there. There is so much there. That is so fast. Now, all of you watching with leader bikes, you're laughing at me because you think that I am like riding the world's fastest motorcycle right now. But for me, with an adventure bike and a supermoto at home, this is a goddamn rocket ship. Yeah, that is a crazy amount of torque. What's weird about it is it's just so instant. I mean, it is immediate when it kicks in. There is no slouching it. It is just direct. I mean, right from the get, I feel like I've got all the power. Compared to other leader bikes that I've ridden where I felt like I could make coffee by the time we got into the power range. Oh my god, I get that. I just I have a problem. I have a KTM motorcycle problem. Alright, are you gonna pick the middle or? Wow, my goody goodness. Oh, there's so much there. Oh, oh my. Full tuck mode. And just, I tell you what, if you can hear me or not, it's just so good. There's probably so much wind noise right now. Because as it is a fairing bike with a windscreen, it only does an okay job at things. The front brake feels a little vague, but I could just be betting in these pads. Yeah. Thanks, man. See, he gets it. See? Damn. First ride already compliments. Whoa! Ah, water! Oh no! Oh. Well, I will close it out with that, as I'm realizing this seat is a lot harder and uncomfortable than I would like it to be. Kind of like that seat right now. But oh god, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I taught you nothing and you just got to enjoy the first ride with me and my pure excitement. I will go into more detail on a lot of the topics when I can think straight. But yeah, welcome to the family, the new 2026 KTM 990 RCR. And this one is gonna be a good one. I tell you what, stay tuned for my first track day in, well, less than 2 weeks. So let's see how it fares out at the track. Oh, so until next time, remember, keep riding. What smells burny? It all kind of smells burny.